Today I'm going to review the Yeti 1000. I just bought this and I had an electrician come in and do an install of the home integration kit. I hadn't seen any reviews online and I decided to take a video just to give everyone feedback about it. So I got the 1000, I didn't get the 1500 or 3000 because of price. And here nothing's on yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button, which will turn on this wire that's hooked up to the home integration, and as you can tell, my fridge here is drawing some significant power. And if you know anything about fridges, they turn on while it's trying to cool what's inside the contents of the fridge, and once it's at a certain temperature it sort of stops and cycles back and forth. So right now, look, it's only drawing about 70 something watts, and it's pretty good. I'm getting about, what, 15 hours, you know, and I was expecting really just 6 or 7 hours because we get blackouts here every so often. I might have a day where BG&E pulls my electricity, but looks pretty good. And this is just for my fridge, and I have a pretty big fridge. It's a French door fridge. Now I'm going to show you what the electrician did here. I got my main panel. I actually have a sub panel somewhere else with my other components, so this can be installed as a second sub panel here. So they wired a couple of things that I chose. Right now, as you can see, that these are switched over to line, which means it's running as usual from my main panel. I connected to my fridge, and I have a couple other goodies I wanted to include too in case my power goes out. For example, my living room where my Wi-Fi access point is, I want to be able to have that still on. And over here I have my garage. I don't want that to lock me out, even though I can do everything manually. I don't want the hassle of that, so I can have the ability to turn this on in a blackout. And also have receptacles in my office, which I have Synology server and other things I use to record my surveillance cameras. I want to keep that running in a blackout. So yeah, so if you ever want to switch it and power's back on, then it's pretty simple. You just turn from generator to line, and then the fridge runs back to normal, back to your electrical outlet. So that's pretty much it. This thing connects back to my Yeti and connected back here. Pretty straightforward. Give me some comments if you have any questions about it. I'll probably post something in a couple of months to see how this is running. So yeah, thanks for watching.